Neff K5920LOGB fridge freezer displays IWD off, have inadvertently presses panel buttons. How do I switch IWD on?
How old is your Neff fridge?
7 years.
How long has this been going on with your Neff refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
Worked fine until buttons were pressed whilst cleaning yesterday.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your refrigerator today. Can you take a picture of your control panel and attach it here using the Attach Files button above this text box so I can better assist you?
We'll send over in 5 minutes. It is the old panel type with up arrows only under fridge and freezer numbers, and not a setup button.
Okay, sounds good.
Attached.
Thank you. That's a bit close so I can't see all the buttons. Can you take a picture a bit further away? Never mind, I got it. One moment while I pull this information up. To remove that, you should just need to press and hold the alarm speaker button in the upper left corner for 5 seconds. That should unlock the panel and remove the IWD off. Can you try that, please? Does that work? To remove that, you should just need to press and hold the alarm speaker button in the upper left corner for 5 seconds. That should unlock the panel and remove the IWD off. Can you try that, please? Does that work?
No, that just turns the lock on/off by holding for 5 seconds.
Okay, well, remove that first. Then press and hold the Super Freeze and Freezer buttons together for 5 seconds. That is the snowflake-looking button to the left of the display and the rectangular button on the left below the display.
Done that, newer models seemingly have a setup button, up and down arrow that when pressed with another button enters a setup mode. Excellent, thank you. Have now locked the panel.
Great. You can unlock the panel by pressing and holding the speaker button for 5 seconds. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.